I'm in the ongoing beach now. So there's a small cliff here. Can you see the tides over here? It's so huge. Yay! Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Travel with Ebu. I am in Onboyne Lake. So Onboyne Lake is in the southern part of the NSW state. So I have traveled around 600 kilometers from the Sydney city to reach here. It's an awesome place. It's a calm village in the Australia. It's in the border of the Melbourne, the Victoria state. It's an awesome feeling here. Wow, how beautiful the landscape is. It looks so cool. So this is the way from Canberra to Onboyne. Onboyne is a beautiful place which is located at the southern part of NSW state. So there are a couple of places that you can visit in Onboyne. There is a Onboyne Lake, which is a very calm and beautiful lake surrounded by pristine forest and greenery. Wow, can you see the blue mountains? It looks so blue and amazing. The view is so nice. There are a lot of scenery that is waiting for you when you travel from Canberra to Onboyne. Beautiful landscape, and the roads are also very good. Onboyne is located at the southern part of NSW state, which is in the border of NSW and the Victoria state. So we have to travel almost 6.5 hours from Sydney to reach Onboyne. I have split my journey into two parts. I came via Canberra, so it took almost 3 hours to reach Canberra from Sydney, and from Canberra it took another 3.5 hours to reach Onboyne. So the roads are very beautiful, and we enjoyed this drive a lot. It was a wonderful drive. Since there was not much vehicles on the road, there was no much risk we had. Now my friend Mahesh is driving. So there is a speed limit of 100 km per hour in this road. So we can't go beyond that because we will get a huge amount of fine. So Onboyne is a very beautiful place. So most of the people doesn't know about this place actually. Even I was not aware when I came to Sydney, but one of my friends suggested me this place. If you love to go for a beautiful drive, plus if you want to enjoy the nature, and also if you want to go for a calm and peaceful trip, then definitely you have to visit this place. Such an amazing place. You can go for boating. So you will get boats for hire there. You can take that and you can ride by yourself and you can go. And also if you love to do fishing, then definitely you can do that. And also if you love to do bushwalk, then you can do that as well. Amazing place. Onboyne is a place where we have lake one side and other side we have this beautiful ocean. It's so amazing, it's so wonderful. So I'm going to explain you how I came here. I'm in the Onboyne beach now. So there's a small cliff here. Can you see the tides over here? It's so huge. Can you see this sand? It's so white sand. If you go to Jervis Bay, then there also you can see like this white pure sand. So people who wants to travel to this place, a small guidance to them. How I find this place means one of my friend suggested me this place. Actually my plan was to travel to Melbourne, but due to the sudden rise in the COVID cases in Melbourne, I was not able to travel to Melbourne. So that's the reason I was searching for some other places which is inside the NSW state, and finally I found this place, Onboyne. So it's beautiful. So if you want to reach here, you can search in Google for Onboyne. So you can find a website. I will keep that website in my description. You can find it from there. So if you go to that website, you can book your accommodation and you can book your boat as well. So why you need a boat? Because I told you Onboyne is a small village and it is having one side lake and other side is the beach. So in order to reach this beach, you can come by through lake. So you need a boat there. So I met a person who gave me accommodation, Luke. So he gave me a small boat, a normal boat, a small motor boat. So he clearly explained me how to use this motor boat, everything. So we alone came here. He just explained for half an hour how to use it and how to navigate everything. So he just explained me. So we took 2 boats and we reached the other side of the lake, and from there a small walk to this beautiful beach. It's so amazing, very good. I came on the top of this cliff. So this cliff is named as Bay Cliff. You can see the right side, the beautiful lake, and left side the beautiful beach. Can you see these trees? It's everything got burned and nothing is there. I was feeling so sad because of this. It's completely black over here. Nothing is left out, everything got burned. Yeah, it's coming back, it's turning green now. Anyhow. This is the beautiful Onboyne beach. It's a top view from the cliff. Amazing place. Can you hear the waves? Very beautiful, you have to experience it. This is the Onboyne Lake, the end of the Onboyne Lake. So the water is flowing to the sea, the delta area. Here the waves are so big, huge tides. Nice place to enjoy. So So far you can see one lighthouse. It's too far. Woo! Yay! So that's the end of today's video. If you like my video, please share to others. Please subscribe my channel as well. I'll be coming back in another video very soon. Till that time, bye bye. Take care.